On one side, you have prophets and angels who immediately, forcefully shut it down. Don't do that. On the other side, you have Jesus. And his reaction? He just calmly and consistently accepts it. The source argues that this difference is absolutely massive. And this wasn't a one-time thing. The source gives us a whole list of examples. A leper comes and worships him. A ruler does it. His own disciples, right there in the boat, worship him. A Canaanite woman, a man born blind. And every single time, what happens? Nothing. No rebuke, no, hey, get up, I'm just a guy. And it's important to know, the Greek word here, proskuneo, it's the same word used for the worship of God himself. Dr. Michael Brown, a scholar mentioned in our source, really nails this point. He says every other prophet and angel basically panics. They reject worship instantly. But Jesus? He receives it calmly, naturally, almost like he's expecting it, like it's his right. So, okay, his actions were completely different.